Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is your first time here, you're welcome here. So jumping straight in today's tutorial, the first thing I'll be doing is to apply a bit of face primer to my eyebrow. Next, I'm using a beauty blender to apply a bit of powder to my brow area. This just helps to get the brow area matte and ready for application. To outline the outer part of my brows, I'm using David's pencil in shade 18, and then I'm filling up my brows using the same brow pencil. Next, I'm cleaning up my brows with LA Pro Concealer to give the eyebrow a more defined shape. For a very detailed eyebrow tutorial, check out my previous video. Next, I'm using a Real Technique blending brush to blend in the excess concealer and also add a bit of leftover concealer to my eyelid, and this will serve as a primer base for eyeshadow application. I'm using benign setting powder to set the lower part of my brows. I like to do this especially when I'm going for a matte finish. This helps make that area very matte. Most times I often use my blush palette as my eyeshadow palette. So to my crease, I'm adding my first transition color and I'm just building that up and also blending it in. Next, I'm using a lighter shade of blush as my second transition color and I'm just blending it in. Next, I'm using a flat shading brush to apply this shade of eyeshadow to my eyelid. For my foundation routine, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to prime my face, and next I'm just using a Real Technique brush to apply foundation to my face. To highlight, I'm using LA Pro Concealer, and I'm using this to highlight my under eyes, my forehead, my nose and my chin. Next, I'm using a beauty blender to blend. As you're blending underneath your eyes, you want to ensure you're moving towards the side of your nose to ensure a proper blend. To set all the areas I highlighted, I'm using benign luxury powder to set. To contour my face, I'm using this BH Cosmetic contour and blush palette, and I'm just going to be applying the contour powder in a very vertical manner, and I'm also going to be applying this on my forehead. I'm also using the same contour palette from BH Cosmetic to contour my nose. When it comes to contouring the nose, the closer you draw your contour lines, the thinner your nose will appear. To make my whole face come together, I'm using Melanin Mineral Press Powder with this fluffy brush. Next, I'm highlighting my face using this sparkling dust highlight from Inglois Cosmetic, and I'm just building up the glow till I'm satisfied. That's it for today, guys. Please do not forget to like, share your thoughts and comment down below, and also please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.